Welcome back, everybody, to the Cryptopreneurs channel. And today I want to share something really cool with you. I'm very excited because this is my first foray into actual coin mining. So I just got this in the mail today. I'm not going to show the other side because it has personal information, but just got this in the mail today. It is a Goldshell Mini Doge miner. Now, what's amazing to me is that I got this today, and today I found out that Tesla is going to be accepting Dogecoin initially for their merch, in their merch store and things like that. But it's a small step before they actually maybe start accepting Dogecoin for their cars or for other high ticket items. So I think the timing is really good to be receiving this Dogecoin miner. This is a mini Dogecoin miner that mines both Dogecoin and Litecoin. So I kind of like that about it. And the other thing I like about it is it's small. It's relatively quiet as these miners go. It's very inexpensive as these miners go. So it's a perfect way to get started in the mining of cryptocurrency world. Now, I don't know if I'll ever get into the serious mining where people have, racks and racks of miners going, and they've got whole complete systems all set up with ventilation and electricity and all this stuff. I don't know if I'll ever go that far. Unless some new coin pops up that's super profitable, and then I'll probably do it, right? But with Bitcoin mining apparently losing its profitability, with Ethereum mining going out pretty soon because they're moving away from proof of work, which is mining, to proof of stake, which is where people stake their currency. The two main coins just seem to me like they're not as profitable as they could be. And instead, what we can do is mine some of these altcoins or lower cap coins, and then whatever coins you make, you can convert them into Bitcoin or Ethereum, the main ones, right? Or whatever you want. So to me, this is totally extra income for me. I don't really need the money from the miner. So it's all going to be money that just kind of stores and stores and stores. And then whenever a big announcement like Elon Musk just made happens and Dogecoin shoots through the roof, at that point, I might be a good time to sell some of it, right? So to me, this is an accumulation play. It's a way to accumulate crypto, and it's very exciting just to get started with something like this. Super simple, super basic. I've done my research, and I'm very excited. So let me go ahead and open it up. And also, what I'm thinking about is I might actually buy a second one of these because I got this one from asicmarketplace.com. I'll put the link down below. Not a referral or recommendation, just where I got it from. And they were really good. They're really fast. I think it took probably about 6 or 7 days, maybe 8 days for me to actually receive it from China. So that's very, very fast, right? And so let's go ahead and open it up. And let's see how this thing is extremely well wrapped up. So I want to be sure I don't dig into the box or anything. It's a little tricky, but we're going to go ahead and do it now. I'm not big on unboxing videos, so if I do it wrong, well, I do it wrong. But all right, so here it is, home mining rig by Goldshell, and here's the main box that you have the Goldshell miner, right? Let me go ahead and open this thing up. Let's see what's inside. Here's how it opens up. As you can see, got the small little card with the information on it, and here is the actual miner. It's got that nice little Doge on it, as you can see there, right? That's how big it is. It's pretty small, right? So here's my hand just as a way to measure. Pretty small miner. That's why they call it the mini, right? So it's got a connection here for a 6 plug and for the Ethernet cable, and I believe this is also for an antenna, I guess for a Wi-Fi antenna. And that's what we got today, and it's pretty exciting. So here's the little antenna that comes with it. You can pop it in on the back, and I believe this is for if you're going to be doing Wi-Fi. So, which I probably will, because the connector for this is a 233 watt connector, I believe, and we have one of those in the garage. So we'll be connecting this in the garage in a safe place, and that'll be a good place to have this little mini Doge miner. Now, I'm seriously thinking about getting another one of these because then we'll obviously double the mining that we can do. And I think it's just a really good miner for a beginner who doesn't want to go full bore, like get fully serious with all kinds of mining. Doesn't need a whole warehouse, ventilation, exit the air, input the air, all this stuff, right? It's low cost, relatively speaking. This one cost me about $1,380. Uh, Compared to other miners, that's very low cost. And also, by the way, there's two ways to pay for it on ASIC Marketplace. One is use Ethereum to buy it. I didn't want to use my Ethereum to buy it, so I went ahead and did a wire transfer, and they give you all the details that you need for a wire transfer. You go to your bank, do the wire transfer, give them all that information, and it worked out just fine. So, like I said, I got this thing very fast. Very excited to get it plugged in and started, and I'll be giving you updates as we go on how this does and how all my other activities are doing with crypto mining, earning free crypto business opportunities, and pretty soon also play to earn crypto games. So if all that stuff sounds interesting to you, and I know it's totally interesting to me, I'm very excited about this channel, then go ahead and follow, subscribe, like, comment, you know the drill. And hey, take a look at this. If you're interested in mining and you don't want to go full bore, like full commitment, you want to just get started with something, I think this is a good way to get started. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next time on the Cryptopreneurs channel.